So ayun, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to Workshop Fix Video Card Repair and Services. I'm Tech Carl. And today may nais tayong new GPU, line number 2902. Isa po siyang GeForce RTX 3070. So ang issue daw po nito, sabi ni customer is shorted daw po and no display. So far yung ginawa po natin na solution is pinalitan po natin yung shorted na MOSFET. And right now, going na siya sa stress test. So, makita naman po natin na FPS niya is 100. And po yung sensor niya is GPU temperature 78 degrees and hotspot is 92 degrees. Fan speed is 88 degrees. So far so good naman po. Nag-running na po siya ng stress test for under 2 hours almost. Ayan. Kita naman po natin sa laro na ano po siyang stutter and kita naman po natin na po siyang lag and good to go na po. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next repair.